Here we have a 2017 BMW X3, 24,000 miles, one owner, clean Carfax in black. As you can see, classic BMW styling there. Pan around here to the front. Really a sharp looking, kind of more in your mid-size SUV segment. You can see high intensity headlamps there and LED fogs in the bumper fascia. Multi-spoke alloy wheel here, scuff free. Got your BMW center cap, clean wheel, no scuffs or scrapes. Also these tires light new, good 3/4 tread on those. You can see a nice shiny resurfaced rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that mechanical inspection signed out by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. See the BMW chrome door sill entry guard there, full power passenger seat with lumbar. You can see leather appointments, offset white stitching, 2 bucket seats, full console runs in between. Of course, obviously BMW, it's a luxury SUV. You can see some wood grain, brushed aluminum cues there. See the stitching in the wood grain wraps through the door panel. And you know right away once you jump in a car like this that you're in a luxury SUV. And you can see now this is the mid-size, but you can see very ample leg and shoulder room there for your rear occupants, so you don't feel crammed at all. Also nice and clean interior. Just to show you the matching Nexen tires on this vehicle with the scuff-free rear wheel as well. Continuing around to the back now, this is the xDrive, so this is the all-wheel drive X3. You can see the badging there, the exhaust. Let's go ahead and pop the lift gate. See power lift gate, one touch there opens it up. So you got the cargo cover here to hide any contents you may have back here in the cargo area. Got a little tray down there as you can see, and your spare tire is underneath. Fold down on your rear seats if you need more cargo room, obviously. Also a button there, lower your power lift gate. I also want to show you we do have the park sensors here in the back as well. And we got a backup camera there also. So well equipped. Continuing around here, you can see again matching Nexen tire, scuff-free alloy wheel on this side, rear surface, rear rotor as well. And we'll just give you a shot from the driver's side rear. But you can see interior is light new back here all around really. No rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. As we open up the driver's side door, just want to show you full power seat there as well as memory seating, as you can see on the side. Just to continue with the tour here, go over some of the controls. You can see your windows, your mirrors, your door locks are up here. They are heated mirrors. Also want to show you proximity key, integrated key fob there as well, as you can see. We do have 2 of them. We'll continue with the tour. Just put our foot on the brake, press the start button here. Here you see 24,469 miles. Got your fog light button over here, automatic headlamp control, dimmer switch for your interior lamps, turn signal on the left, high beams, cruise control here, left side of the wheel, audio controls, voice activation, hands-free to the right of that. Got your cruise control, intermittent wiper washers here, as you can see. Sorry, your cruise control is over here. We got your radio here in the center. Let's just play around with that a little bit. It's not touchscreen, but it is AM, FM, satellite radio. We got some heated seats, as you can see here, dual climate control also. And then let's go ahead and turn your radio on and we'll see if we can change the different modes. There you see audio pre-outs. You have the ability to connect through Bluetooth devices. And then of course you have your AM, FM, and your Sirius satellite, as you can see there as well. So just kind of scrolling through that. We got 2 large cup holders here. You can see another control panel for your center display down here as well. A lot of driver customizations and options are all controlled through that little joystick. We do have the ability between sport mode and economy mode trans shift points. If you want to optimize that for your particular driving case. There's your traction control button off, downhill descent control, ability to shut off your parking sensors. Of course, here is your electronic parking brake. And when we open up the center console, there's your connectivity, 12-volt power supply, audio, pre-out, Bluetooth. Also, this thing has the nice big pano roof. You can see it actually stretches over both rows of seating. That's all controlled up here. You also have some LED map lights, auto dim on your rear view mirror, ability to program your TransConnect or TransLinks there as well. Of course, there's a built-in security system also. Now let's go ahead and pop the hood here. Right here's your hood release. It's going to chime telling us that our hood is open. We'll just show you the power plan underneath this vehicle here. Of course, that's providing that I can find the hood release, which can always be a chore, especially on a vehicle that you're a little less familiar with. So it gets hooked over here. There it is. I see it. Sorry for the delay there. By the way, hood release right here. As you can see, the twin turbo engine here, very clean, well maintained, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, very quiet. I mean, obviously you see no corrosion on any of your electrical terminals over there. I actually have some room to work on this engine, which is nice. There's plenty of room in the compartment there, so let's go ahead and shut the hood, shut this car off, and we'll get into the next portion of the video. This part I really think differentiates us here. Not only are we completely upfront in the pricing, mechanical condition of our vehicle, as I explained, with the used car mechanical check report that's in the glove box. We're also very upfront in the condition, like one small stone chip right there you can see in that fender. That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to kind of go around this car. Get an awful lot of people that buy from, sometimes they'll travel hours to catch a great deal on a car that they like, and I think they really appreciate this little walk around that I'm doing right now. I just want to be your eyes and ears, show you anything. Probably won't even show. There's a couple little minor scratches there. I'm trying to be picky. Show you anything that would make this car otherwise less than perfect. A couple little scuffs there on the corner. A couple little minor scratches here from loading and unloading some cargo. I'll just kind of pan across there. Got a gouge right there, as you can see. It's probably the worst of the damage I've noticed. It's in that plastic cladding portion. A little scratch right here on this passenger side quarter panel. Another little tiny one on the door, gas door there. But this is, like I said, clean accident history, one owner. Shows no signs of any prior paint. All the body lines are nice and straight and clean. And the fact that I'm having trouble finding any damage, small little stone chip right there, that proves that to be the case. We got a couple little chips, a little bit of bug damage across the front here. I'll just pan through that quickly. A little scuffle in that cladding there. And then the top of the hood, there's just a few little chips, like that one right there. Another one right there, but there you have it, guys. This is a like new BMW at a used car price. If you want a luxury SUV and want to save yourself thousands, this is the one for you. If you're interested, it does still have the remainder of BMW's comprehensive and powertrain warranties, which is transferable to the next owner, so you can buy this vehicle with confidence. Now, if you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com, or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.